Hello, everyone. I hope you're okay. Sajwali here with the weekly analysis. And let's start with the Forex factory, see what's happening in the news. Right, starting from the Monday, the 2nd of September, what we have. USA is bank holiday on 2nd of September, and 3rd of September, we got high impact news, ISM manufacturing PMI, ISM manufacturing prices. 4th, the Wednesday, we got George job openings. That's the high impact news at 3 p.m. And Thursday, we got ADP non-farm employment chain. There's a heavy impact news that and unemployment claims. Right, that's heavy impact as well. And medium impact final services, PMI and ISM services. So non-farm ADP non-farm employment. That's on 5th of September. Keep an eye on that, especially. Right. And on Friday we have average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, and unemployment rate, and FOMC member Williams speaks. That's medium impact. The rest are high impact. But these are the news for the week, and let's see what's happening in the market. Right. Currently in 4 hour chart is already open, and you can see it's testing this level, the psychological level, and previous daily support as well. Now, if you watch my YouTube channel, you probably see that I'm live every day. My chart is live every day, so you can get help and guidance from the chart for your trades. Right. So now, if this level breaks, definitely we expect to the upside. And you see is 1 hour. This is a level as well. Anyway, let me remove these levels. And let's go back to monthly because the month is just starting now. And this monthly candle, it has broke this previous high, and now there is not a huge weakness in the, although there's a rejection. So let's see where it will take us. And in weekly, the things are more clear. This is evening star or double doji here, whatever you call it. Everybody give different name. Right. Okay. Now here, so if this level is broken, like then let me see in daily what's happening. In daily, as you can see, there's a level here. This is the level. Because what happened previously, market came down, tested this level, and bounced back. So basically, this whole move was cancelled when this bullish candle double tag pattern, bullish candle was made in daily. So this candle automatically cancelled. So market became bullish again. Now market testing again this area. So to come down, it has to break this level, and then we may see market up to here, and in weekly we can see even further coming down. So this is a situation in weekly. In daily so far, this is the level, and let's see market breaks this level or not to come to this level. In 4 hour, as I said before, it was market, the chart was already open in 4 hour, and I did say that there's a rejection, and also there's a daily level here, or previous daily level here as well. So if this level has to be broken before market test this area to the upside, and to come down, it has to break this level, and then we have further levels to look for. And these are the levels, so on. This is all-time high, and market, I did expect market will break this, but there was not enough momentum to break this just break this level. I see. You can see the multiple rejection candles are forming and couldn't break this level to the upside. All the market took this liquidity here, and market made the double top and came down. Now, further exploring the in in daily, we have this. We still have bullish pattern until this level is broken, and then we have this level. So market, we will still class it as a bullish until this level is broken, and then market has to break this level as well. Let me go into line chart to make things more clear. Look here, you can see what's happening. Market standing at a level here. So this is the movement of the market at the moment. So that's major daily level, and if this is broken, then we can see maybe further move to the downside. So that's a major level. But once this is broken, then we can see there's a possibility of downward movement further to this level, and maybe market range here, then break it. But let's see. In 4 hours, the structure has already been broken. And as you can see, this here, this is a major structure of the market. It couldn't break this top level here multiple times. And now this internal structure has been broken in 4 hours. Let's see if this level, which is the daily level as well, is maintained or not. So the next stop would be around here. Let's see anyway how the market goes. I hope this is helpful. And if you, as I said before, if you need help with trading levels, every day have a live chart. So go to my YouTube channel and you can watch the charts there. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye.